Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 136 of building the Ecto-1 from the Ghostbusters. We are continuing building the roof rack, the roof box, but we're not doing very much with this one. So this time it's going to be a quick build and then looking at the magazine as we do every 4 issues. We've got the surrounds for the box, which we'll be putting on next time. They're clearly labelled 1, 2, 3 and 4, or 2, 4, 3 and 1 even. I'm assuming that's the inside bits though, but so we're not doing anything with those as yet. Next time we're going to be building those up. What we are going to be doing is making up this intake. So we need 6 of these screws. 3, 4, 6. 1 spare. Oh, 2 spare. 1, 2, 6. Yeah, 2 spare. Okay. And these are going to go to hold this together. It only goes one way round because there's 2 different shaped grooves. So that on there. All 6 of those going in and holding that together. Put one in over the other side. All good stuff. Very short build episode, so I might as well film all of it because, you know, why not? I've got to do it anyway, so you might as well watch while I do it. Get all 6 of these screws in there. And then there's only 2 more screws to put in this issue where we're attaching this to the box so far. I'm quite enjoying doing this. It's a bit separate to doing everything else. I will be happy when I get my couple of missing issues and I'm able to finish off the bodywork and get the body attached to the car, and then get the couple of brackets attached to this, because I think I might not be able to go very much further than this pack anyway. So I'm going to end up building up a backlog of these to build up like I have of the Infinity Gauntlet. So yeah, there we go. Let's get 2 screws out from this. 2, not all 3. There we go. Just 2 of them. Put those over there for now. And this is fitting just on there like that. So we've got 2 screws to put in at the back. One there. And the other one, obviously, in the other hole there. So there we go. Another issue completed. It's getting there. So next time we're going to be building up the rest of the box, and I think fitting it to the rack itself. We've obviously still got this corner to do. So yeah, let me clear this out of the way and we'll have a look through the magazine. So here we are with issue 36 of the magazine. We're going to have a flick through. Obviously most of this is going to be the instructions for the building stuff that we've already done. We've got the parts that we've done already, the 2 that we've done, the 2 that we haven't done yet, so the base piece and the oxygen tanks that go onto the side of the roof box. The instructions that you've already seen and ones you've just seen today. Next time, yeah, putting the surrounds on, fitting the box and fitting the box itself to the framework that we've got. More tubes. That's that. And then the final issue in this build this month, the oxygen tanks fit into the side there again with some more tubes. Then we're going to look at the firehouse, the headquarters shot in 2 stations. Hook and Ladder Company, New York and LA. Interesting. Obviously the external shots and the internal shots, I should think. Feel free to pause, zoom in, read all about it. Containment unit, obviously, yes, featured in the more recent films as well. John Bruno, obviously an artist. VFX art director. Ghostbusting lessons. The bums. Oh, it's a cut sequence. I was going to say I don't remember that, but that's why, because it didn't actually happen. Interesting. Yep. So Cannibal Girls. There's 2 mood slime montage. Okay. So next time. Oh, is next time the last time? It may well be. It looks like that might be the final pack, the final issue. So we're finishing off the roof box, and indeed we'll be attaching it to the car. So the end is in sight. Although, as I say, there's still a couple of issues previous that I'm waiting on at the moment. So yeah, that's the ladder, isn't it? Good stuff. I like things coming to a close, but it will be sad, but also happy. So yeah, I don't know when that's going to turn up, but as I say, I might not be able to do a great deal of it because I can't be able to attach the roof box yet. I haven't been able to attach the lights yet. But yeah, right. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do join me very soon for the next part of this, and stay safe. Bye bye for now.